Yeah. Okay. What is up, everybody? Back with another video here today. It's me, Gaming with Raps. I got a gun. So today, my friend Amato, right here, he shot a bird. We'll be showing it to y'all today. Come on, go.
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah, we're doing it right now.
And right now, we're looking for different birds.
We shot a pigeon.
No,
It's a BB gun.
Yeah, it's a BB gun. You won't get in trouble.
If there was a real gun, then we'd have to have a license.
But, well, and you would never get a real gun. I like how we're just talking.
Literally.
while we're streaming.
It's not streaming.
Well,
I want to do a stream so bad.
but you don't want to sit like in your room an hour just streaming straight. Or
Like,
just be walking around for an hour.
I would do it if I was doing something like 3 a.m. Yeah, probably. But other than that, no.
No trees yet, and no birds yet. Every day we
I don't get why in summer so many birds come out. And I'm out of BB. But after summer, I got like 1,000 BBs in here.
Cool. You mean Christmas? Looks like we're gonna have to hold bird hunting. We can't find, there's no more birds right now. All of them are on that side.
All of those people are.
Oh, I see a bird in it.
That bird's dead. It was bleeding out of its mouth.
Yeah. No, we didn't. We shot it in the stomach.
Yeah, we shot it right by the foot and it started bleeding out of its mouth. And it took us a minute to get down here.
Oh, can I
Or like 2 minutes. Look, guys,
So the bird is over here at this house.
yeah, at this house. Oh, dude. Oh, we can't be showing that in a live stream. We can't show the address. Or in a YouTube video. Like, you see that right there? That area right there? That's where the bird was just sitting along. We were back there by that basketball court. And then it moved from here.
Wait.
And then it flew all the way to up here to that thing. Then it went right here.
He went like this.
I was standing right there at the time. Here. I was standing right here. And he pointed to the bird. The bird was up there. Then I shot it.
And this is what it looked like.
There you go.
It was like a normal pigeon. Turn it around and all that. Yeah.
Let me see.
This is what we shot.
And when I shot it, it came tumbling down all the way to the ground. Then I picked it up, and this is what it looks. This is what it is.
I wasn't even sad actually. Okay, so guys, that's our video here today.
Wait, hold on. Let me take.
So yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Yeah, I'm not always gonna be gaming. Sometimes I'll be doing some different stuff like this. So I'll see you on the next video. Bye.